Alright, this batting case was installed like 3 weeks ago. And we tied it we bolted down. And now we got one, two, three, four mesh, 4.5 mesh, which is a foot extra of sagging. This net, it has been on the cold weather, so it was black. It is black, but the treatment is coming off. Looks like. See the colors now, like white, between white and gray color. So it's Berry College from Georgia. 4 cages. That's how the net's becoming. It's different color. I'm assuming that's gonna be like because the weather. It has been a really cold temperatures outside. So I mean it's not that bad, but it doesn't look black at all.